Right, this is it, 1st of November 2025. The Valley Den's been here nearly 5 years exactly. It's autumn. I need to tidy up. There's leaves everywhere. Oh, there's even fences that need fixing. I think everywhere genuinely needs just a good tidy. I haven't been here for about 3 weeks, and this time of year it does not take long to get filthy. I'm also going to have some lunch here today. I need to put some more bird seed in the bird feeder. Yeah, and just enjoy my Saturday afternoon, 1st of November. Right, so I do have like some jobs to do. So sweeping and raking is the main thing to clear the pathways. All of these shelters need a really good sweeping. I also need to sort out the wood store roof as well. The wood store roof isn't looking so good, so I need to have a look at that. It's nice to be back up here again. Like I said, this place has been here for about 5 years now. The boys and I have been building this and slowly growing and changing and adapting it over 5 years to what our needs are. Yeah, it works pretty well, but there's so much housekeeping to do. Like the more you build, the more you've got to look after. So. Okay, right, so I'm going to start with the paths. I'm going to have to start tidying up the floor and then I'll do the shelters individually. I'm going to time lapse this because you're not going to want to see me sweeping for 20 minutes. Right, let's go. Start at the top, work my way down. Oh, well, that's certainly a lot better than it was. The rain has picked up a little bit more. It's got a bit darker now. I think we're going to start doing the shelters. Whoa. If I had to take 5 minutes to come out of the shelter, it's got really bad really quick. Crikey. Right, I can't hide in here anymore. There's my rake. There it is. I'm going to have to get out. The rain's died off. So, yeah, I'm going to do the whole of this area. And then I'm going to head up to the top and I'll do the shelter on the inside. I need to go and pick up my axe and see what tools I've got in my bag. Right, in my bag, what have I got? I think I've got a penknife here somewhere. And out. Cool, right, tools sorted. I thought I had a screwdriver up here, but I don't, just got a bunch of random bits and bobs. Right. Well, it may be raining and my rake may have broken, but I have a broom, so I'm going to use that instead. I just spotted this tiny robin sheltering in my wood store. Can you see him? In the middle of the screen. It's just hiding. Right, I'm going to eat some lunch. See if this rain's going to ease off. Not a bad view to have lunch. I'm out of the wet, that's the most important thing I suppose. Don't need a fire, it's not too cold today, but obviously if we get wet it will be cold. I'm not quite wearing a jumper and I'm still in my shorts, so... So if you haven't seen previous videos, check out Three Kings Adventures. Obviously this is where you're watching this video, hopefully. Someone hasn't copyrighted it for some strange reason. Yeah, so this is our shelter. We've been building up here for, as I said already, 5 years. Every time we come up we try and add a little bit to it, or we just change little bits or make it stronger. We've enjoyed hanging out here. I've spent many years in many camping trips and dinner times, lunch times, here with the guys, just hanging out. I'm on my own this weekend, but I still come up here, just double check, make sure everything's okay, nothing's fallen down. Right, let's carry on. Finish cleaning this crap up. Much easier with something with a really... How I'm going to fit this broom into the shelter. I'm going to have to cut this down. Too big. No. Oh, it's more manageable now. And I've got 2 hand brooms. Sweet. Right, that's shelter number 1 done. Time to go up top, do the other one. Got a great idea for the mini brushes. You can use them to clear these tables off. These are random items that the boys and I have just found. Bottles, more bottles. Some of them we brought up, like this one. It's just like a milk jug. There's another one here. They've all got like, I don't know what you call it, like a like the micro environment or something inside there. Like, there's like stuff living inside. This table or chair, and that one there. Now this place is well overdue a good clean. Right. Hopefully, with a good sweeping, should be able to tidy it all up. You can actually see the floor. Right, looking good. Alright, okay. Shelters are tidy. Right, it's stopped raining. Time to go and get some wood for these fences. Right, next time, let's do it. Right, let's go find some wood. You can hear some robins tweeting away. Seen one earlier. Hopefully going to try and catch a bird eating off the bird feeder today as well. That'd be cool. Hopefully this should be enough. Sticks here. I think I'm going to need a new pole. This could be this one. Yeah. Right, let's go get some string. Right, let's see what we got. Ah, simple pleasure, simple fun. Nice and easy. Look at this. Nice. Even just doing that's made that so much stronger already. Right. This is basically rinse and repeat. It's just slightly strengthening the fence up. It's not like it's here to stop anyone from falling over, but it kind of adds a little bit of structure to the area. Now obviously the roof in the wood store needs a lot of work. I've just chucked another tarp on top, and this thing is holding water quite a lot, so I just need to put a few more sticks in there to sort of support the roof so it stops collecting water. Such a nice view here now when the sun's out. It's pretty. Well, that was a messy job. I didn't film it, but that roof is so much better now. You can still see it's leaking just a little bit. The floor is drenched. Managed to push all the water out, and then it's just crisscrossing sticks wherever it seems to sort of hold water. So yeah, more than likely going to have to add a few more there, but that's working for now. A little bit drier there now. Definitely dirty after doing that. That was filthy. Right, tidy up time. So my aim when I come up here is mainly just to relax. I obviously find a few odd jobs to do while I'm here, but it's mainly just about getting some fresh air, spending time out in nature. A kind of chilled video. They're not necessarily productive as such. Just filming and just hanging out. But that is it. That's pretty much the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Very cash. Don't bother subscribing. There's no point. Honestly, don't subscribe. Okay. And yeah, maybe I'll see you in the next one.